All right, let's take a look at question number one. On question number one, you're being assessed on how to find or evaluate the indefinite integral. So the formula that's going to help us with evaluate the indefinite integral of x to the third over 6 dx is as follows. Our formula is if you're integrating a multiple of a power, you're going to apply the power rule, but one thing you want to remember is anytime you're evaluating the integral and you have a constant multiple that you can factor out, always factor out the constant multiple so that it will make your integration process easier. All right, so notice I factored out that constant k. Now I'm going to apply the power rule to the integration of x to the n dx. Okay, so if I apply the power rule there, we're going to have the k that we factored out times x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1. All right, so anytime you're integrating a power, it's going to be x to that power plus 1 divided by that power plus 1. Since this is a definite integral, don't forget to add the c component right there. Alrighty? Okay. And this is known as the power rule with a constant multiple. So power rule with a constant multiple. Now, if you want to gain access to our entire collection of formulas that you need to know for the AP Calc exam, just visit our website at mathgotserved.com and you'll be able to gain access to that epic formula sheet that will help you see all the formulas you need to know for AP Calc AB. All right, so we're going to apply the formula that we just went over to our problem under consideration x to the third over 6 dx. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to factor out this denominator here. Notice I can rewrite it like this, 1 over 6 times x to the third dx. All right, it's easy to see what I'm about to do since I wrote it as a constant multiple as opposed to a denominator. All right, so let's go ahead and factor that out. So we have 1 over 6 times the integral of x to the third dx. Now I'm writing it like this as we talked about in the formula so I can easily see exactly what approach I'm using to evaluate the integral. Okay, so whenever possible, try to rewrite it in such a way that you can know the exact rule to apply. So this is a power, so we're going to be applying the power rule here. So we're going to have the 1 over 6 times, if we apply the power rule, it's going to be x to the power plus 1. The power was 3 before, so you add 1 to that, divided by the power plus 1. Okay? All right, now there's something missing. Do you see what's missing? Anytime you evaluate the indefinite integral, you always want to add that c component there. That's very important. All right, so plus c. Now we're going to go ahead and simplify our equation, make it look pretty. So we're going to have, this is going to become 1 over 6 times x to the fourth over 4 plus c. And then we'll multiply. That's going to give us x to the fourth over 24 plus c. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the answer to question number 1. So let's see. Question number 1, the answer is option letter C. So this is basically how you find the indefinite integral. Watch this presentation. Really appreciate it. If you found the contents of this tutorial helpful, do give us a thumbs up. Your positive feedback is very valuable to us. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for updates to other tutorials such as this. Questions or comments, just put it in the comment section below. And do not forget to visit our website for our epic formula sheet and other valuable resources to help you pass the AP Calc exam. Thanks again for watching and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.